Hello again, welcome to the MasterCAM course. In this example we create the different toolpath operations, and we can also change to our product by creating some and the different faces. You can also see all that stuff in that and the lecture Let me focus here. I created face toolpath and the contour toolpath, and after that I create roughing toolpath by using the pocket operation. This is the pocket operation for this area, and then we also create some surface finish blend toolpath for this area, and then you can also see that some finishing operation here is a contour toolpath and 3D high speed toolpath with horizontal toolpath for this area, and then you can also see some roughing operation here. We can also create some trim toolpath for this operation, and then we can also create some rotate transform operation, and you can also see some contour finish finish scallop high speed toolpath, and you can also see the transform of that scallop toolpath here, and you can also see some contour toolpath, and you can also see another contour toolpath with and stock trim on the dry face with 0. You can also see some different tricks here. How can you organize that kind of boundary and the contour toolpath? Okay, so this is quite important lecture. Thank you very much, and please don't hesitate to share and that's good with your friends. Okay, I really appreciate your interest, and thank you very much, and take care.